How to connect Owlet Dream Sock to Wi-Fi. First of all, download the Owlet Dream app on your smartphone. Whether you are using iOS or Android, you will going to find by simply searching for Owlet Dream app. Then you just need to open the app and create an account. If you don't already have one, you can follow the prompts to set up a child profile. Then plug in the base station. Connect the base station to a power outlet. The base station should start glowing white. Make sure that your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. The Owlet DreamSock does not support 5 GHz network. Then open the Owlet app and select Add Device and then choose SOC. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the base station to your Wi-Fi network. You may need to enter your Wi-Fi password. Then the base station's Wi-Fi indicator light should turn green, indicating a successful connection. Then follow any additional prompts in the app to complete the setup process. This is the way of how you can connect Owlet DreamSock to Wi-Fi.